That's CM flagging off their concerns. But a day after holding discussions with the finance minister yesterday in the capital, US Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner and Ben Bernanke were in Mumbai today at the RBI headquarters. Let's go across to Ritu Jindal, who was tracking that meeting. Ritu, what were the discussions centered around?
Well, in their last leg of India trip, the US Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner and the Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke, they actually met a whole host of eminent representatives from India Inc. The who's who of India Inc. were there. They met RBI people today and also met some of the young entrepreneurs of the Indian economy. Overall, let's start with the India Inc. representatives. The discussions essentially centered around the reform measures that the government has taken, and there was a very, very positive tone in that meeting. The US delegates did welcome the reforms that have been taken forward, especially FDI and FII norms. In fact, they also assured that the QE3 and other quantitative easing mechanisms that the US has taken, the concerns surrounding that should not be made out as large as it is being made out just now. So they are on a reassuring mode. Mr. Ben Bernanke also made a statement in front of the media after his meeting with the policy makers. As far as monetary policy is concerned, there were discussions around the global economy as well as the monetary policy picture for India. India is becoming more important in the G20 nations. That is very important. They discussed various regulatory issues as well as some of the banking sector issues, though of course none of the specifics were disclosed to us, but clearly looks like something very, very positive coming out in order to encourage trade, better investments and better job opportunities for both the countries. Back to you.
Global situation, the quantitative easing, the reforms done in India, the reforms yet to do, what has the government to do, balance reforms to be done, how to improve our growth rates, how to improve employment, reduce subsidies.
Any concerns because of quantitative easing and the kind of inflationary impact it can have?
No, it's a monetary policy of United States and they need to do it for their own self.
So what was the feedback on the recent reforms being taken by?
No, they are very positive. They are happy that some reforms have moved and have happened.
It was a very good meeting. We discussed, we exchanged notes, and we got briefed by both the chairman and the secretary on the US economic situation, and we briefed him on India, and we said we are very confident that now with the reform process in India taking place, we expected India to get back in the near future to a reasonable rate of growth, and we had good general discussions, and we all felt that the two large economies, two of the three largest economies in the world, the increase in terms of both investment and trade with each other should increase.
Long-term economic diplomacy between the two countries, very constructive. They had a very good meeting with the finance minister and prime minister.
So on the infrastructure side, any concerns?
Nothing specific. I think we were all saying that a lot more needs to be done in terms of making sure that projects move faster, that the softer issues and aspects of reform that still remains part of the unfinished agenda.
Okay, Ritu, largely generic discussions, but this does sort of go on to show how big India is becoming on the world stage, and that was something that Bernanke also alluded to. With that, we take a break. Back with more corporate stories.